In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from Binance to your mobile money account. By following these steps, you will effectively transfer your funds and ensure a smooth transaction process. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Wallets option, which is typically found in the main navigation menu. Click on Wallets to view your account balances. After accessing your wallets, check your fiat balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the withdrawal. If you need to convert cryptocurrency to fiat, select the appropriate option to complete this process. It's essential to confirm that the mobile money service is supported in your region. Before proceeding, verify your mobile money account details to avoid any errors during the transfer. Additionally, take a moment to review the withdrawal limits associated with your account, as this will help you plan your withdrawal effectively. Next, return to the wallet menu and select the withdraw option. This action will lead you to the withdrawal interface. Choose the fiat withdrawal option to proceed. In the payment method section, select mobile money as your preferred method for receiving funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it is within the limits you previously checked. After inputting the amount, review any associated fees and the expected processing time for the transaction. Once you've confirmed all details, securely finalize the withdrawal by clicking the appropriate confirmation button. After initiating the withdrawal, monitor the status through your Binance transaction history. This section will provide updates on the processing of your request. It is crucial to wait for a processing confirmation from Binance. Once you receive the confirmation, check your mobile money balance to ensure the funds have been credited successfully. Make sure to save the transaction reference number for your records. If there are any delays in receiving your funds, do not attempt to withdraw multiple times, as this could lead to complications. Instead, contact customer support for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.